Hey, what's going on? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an awesome chocolate avocado pistachio protein shake. Let's check it out. Thanks so much for tuning in, and like always, let's go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell so you never miss my latest content. What I'm making today is a quick and easy protein shake. You throw it in a blender and there's nothing to it. 5 simple ingredients and you're done. Number 1, you're just going to use a chocolate grass-fed whey protein. If you want to use vanilla, you can. Ingredient number 2, we got our vanilla and sweet almond milk. This just has the best flavor, super low in sugar, little calories too. Avocado, it's actually a fruit and it's got a little bit more potassium than a banana, very nutritious and rich in fiber. Pistachios, this is like the royalty of nuts. They're a little bit more expensive, but they're so tasty. And of course, lastly, just a cup of ice. So when it comes to this avocado, you just want to make sure that it's just a little squishy. You can push your thumb on it, and then also you'll know that it's ready because that little end cap comes off. We'll get it and we'll cut it all the way down the middle, and we'll get it in half. For this recipe, we're just using half. So what I like to do to get this middle out is I literally just give it a little chop in half and a twist, boom, it's out. Then I'm just going to give it a slice down the middle, pow, and you got yourself your quarter. Then all you'll need is a trusty spoon, and you'll give it a little scoop, and voila, you're ready to go in the blender. And when I'm measuring my nuts, I'm just gonna get the scale, turn it on, and I'll bring it to grams. And so we're doing 1/8 of a cup. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna measure 15 grams, and 15 grams, there it is, doesn't take much. So we'll just add in a cup of ice, pistachios, quarter avocado, cup of vanilla and sweet almond milk, and our pre-measured 3 scoops of grass-fed chocolate whey protein. Blend. And we're done. Pour and serve. So as you can see in this little card right here, it's only got 261 calories in this shake. It's moderate fat, moderate protein, pretty low in carbs, and it'll help you hit your calorie goals. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Like always, go ahead and smash that like button, and it'll really help me out with this YouTube algorithm, getting this content out to more people. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.